In this session, I am going to discuss about concentration of a solution and the different types of units to express the concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution means it is the amount of solute present in a given solution, and the different types of units used to express the concentration of solutions are molarity, that is capital M, molality denoted by small m, mole fraction denoted by small x, mass percent W by W, volume percent V by V, mass by volume percent M by V, parts per million, that is ppm. So let us know what you mean by molarity. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. This is given by an equation. Molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. For example, 0.25 mole per liter or molar solution of NaOH means 0.25 mole of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. So based on molarity, the problem is like this. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml solution. Here we need to calculate first number of moles of NaOH. Number of moles can be calculated by mass by molar mass. Mass of NaOH is 5 gram and molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole. The number of moles of NaOH is 0.125 mole, and volume of the solution in liters is 450 ml divided by 1000 ml per liter, and molarity can be calculated as 0.125 mole, that is the number of moles of NaOH into 1000 ml per liter divided by 450 ml. Finally, the molarity will be 0.278 mole per dm cube or mole per liter. Let us know what you mean by molality denoted by small m. Molality is the number of moles of the solute per kg of the solvent. Molality is expressed by equation. Molality is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. For example, 1 mole per kg or 1 molar solution of KCl means 1 mole, that is 74.5 gram of KCl is dissolved in 1 kg of water. The mass percent, ppm, mole fraction and molarity are independent of temperature. That means they do not depend on the temperature, but the molarity is a function of temperature. That means the molarity varies with vary in temperature. This is because in the expression of molarity there is a volume term which depends on temperature, but in all other cases, that is mass percent, ppm, mole fraction and molarity, there will be mass term, not volume term. Hence they do not depend on temperature, but molarity is dependent of temperature. Okay, problem on molality. Calculate molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. First we need to calculate molar mass of ethanoic acid by using molecular formula, that will be 60 gram per mole, and number of moles of ethanoic acid can be calculated as mass by molar mass. Mass of ethanoic acid is 2.5 gram and molar mass of ethanoic acid is 60 gram per mole, that will become 0.0417 mole. Mass of benzene, that is solvent, in kg is equal to 75 gram divided by 1000 gram per kg, which will be equal to 75 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Finally, molarity of ethanoic acid can be calculated as number of moles of ethanoic acid divided by kg of benzene. That will be finally equal to 0.556 mole per kg. Okay, let us know what do you mean by mass percent. Mass percent is the mass of a component present in 100 gram of the solution. Mass percentage of a component is calculated by the following equation, that is mass percent of a component is equal to mass of that component in the solution into 100 divided by total mass of the solution. For example, 10% glucose in water by mass means 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water, resulting in a 100 gram solution. Let us know what is the meaning of volume percentage. Volume percent is the volume of a component in 100 ml of solution. This can be given by the following expression, that is volume percentage of a component is equal to volume of that component into 100 divided by total volume of the solution. For example, 10% ethanol solution in water means 10 ml of ethanol dissolved in water, so the total volume of the solution is 100 ml. Let us know what do you mean by mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percent is the mass of the solute in grams present in 100 ml of the solution. This can be given by the following expression, that is mass by volume percent is equal to mass of the solute in gram into 100 divided by volume of the solution in ml. Let us know what is the meaning of parts per million, that is ppm. Parts per million is used to express the trace quantities of a solute in the solution. This is given by the following expression, that is parts per million is equal to number of parts of the component into 10 to the power 6 divided by total number of parts of all the components in the solution. Okay, let us know what do you mean by mole fraction of a component, denoted by X. Mole fraction of a component is equal to number of moles of the component divided by total number of moles of all the components. Let us consider a binary mixture containing the components A and B. The mole fractions of each component can be calculated as below. The mole fraction of A, that is XA, is equal to number of moles of A divided by number of moles of A and B, that is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. The mole fraction of B can be calculated as follows. The mole fraction of B, that is Xb, is equal to number of moles of B divided by number of moles of A and B, that is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. For a solution containing I number of components, we have Xi is equal to Ni divided by N1 plus N2 plus so on Ni, which is equal to Ni divided by summation of Ni. For a given solution, the sum of all the mole fractions is unity, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on plus xi is equal to 1. Mole fraction unit is very useful in relating physical properties of the solutions, like vapor pressure with the concentration of the solution. Problem on mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol in a solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass. The solution has 20 gram of ethylene glycol and 80 gram of water. Molar mass of ethylene glycol can be calculated by using molecular formula, which is equal to 62 gram per mole. The number of moles of ethylene glycol can be calculated by using the formula, that is mass by molar mass. Mass of ethylene glycol is 20 gram. Molar mass is 62. 20 gram divided by 62 gram per mole, which is equal to 0.322 mole. The moles of water can be equal to 80 gram, that is mass of water is 80 gram divided by molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. From the molecular formula we can calculate the molar mass of water, which is equal to 4.444 mole. Hence mole fraction of glycol is equal to number of moles of glycol, ethylene glycol, divided by number of moles of ethylene glycol plus number of moles of water, which is equal to 0.068. that is mole fraction of ethylene glycol is 0.068. Similarly, mole fraction of water can be calculated as number of moles of water, that is 4.444 mole, divided by number of moles of both the components, that is number of moles of ethylene glycol is 0.322 plus number of moles of water is 4.444 mole, which is equal to 0.932. Mole fraction of water can also be calculated as 1 minus 0.068, which is equal to 0.932, because the sum of mole fractions of all the components present in a solution is equal to 1. Thank you.